Hello, today we're going to be talking about rules that change figures that use multiplication. They would look like this: 3x, 3y, 3xy, or x, 3y. Remember that when there's a letter right next to a variable with no sign, that is telling us that we need to multiply. On this worksheet, the first thing that you're going to need to do, though, is to graph the original figure. Remember that the x-axis goes left to right, and the y-axis goes up and down. And it goes just like the alphabet, x and then y. So we're going to start off by graphing our first point, -3, 1. So we would need to go 1, 2, 3 to the left on the x-axis, and then up 1. And we're going to put a dot. Then our next point is -3. So we go 1, 2, 3, and then -1. So we go down 1. After each point, you're going to want to connect these with a straight line. As you can see, that's a little bit difficult on the computer. So I would recommend using your paper for this activity. Okay, I'm going to connect them with a straight line. My next point is 3, -1, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then to -1. And connect those. Then I have 3, 1. 3 and then up 1, connect those, and then finally back to -3, -1, which is over there. I'm going to connect those. You'll notice I have a rectangle. Now you might be wondering, well, what does this 3x, 3y mean? Well, what it's telling you is multiply the x value by 3 and multiply the y value by 3. In this unit, we're not focused on multiplying, so you can use a calculator. Feel free to use a calculator if you'd like. But we're just going to multiply. Well, 3 times -3 would be -9. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times -3 is -9. -1 times 3 is -3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times -1 is -3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. And then we go back to the beginning. 3 times -3 is -9. 3 times 1 is 3. Make sure that you fill out this whole chart, and then you're going to graph rectangle 1, rectangle 2, and rectangle 3, and look at the similarities and differences between the different shapes to answer the questions on the second page.